Hey there, welcome back to Elance Data Sage. Today we will look at if condition tricks. Let's get into my laptop. First, we need to understand the data types. One is text, which is called string, and the other one is number, which is a decimal or integer, etc. So here, the example I'm taking is south. Let's put if function, and if this is equal to south, I want to say yes. And if it is not, let's put it as a no. Will it work? No, it will not work because this is a string, and for string you have to put in inverted commas. Let's retry that formula. If this is equal to inverted commas south, and when you put inverted commas, it has to be in the case sensitive function. Let's put it for no. Now it will work. Since it is south, it will give us this. Same thing will work. Okay, and for the number, for example, if south is equal to 1200, or if this one equals to example I just took 1200, then give me yes. Yes, you have to remember the inverted commas. If not, let's put it as a no. Yeah, it will show yes. So here I'm trying to tell is for the text, it should be in the inverted commas, and for the number, you don't have to put anything. That is how if moves. That's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.